following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake, until 7:30 p.m. At 5:23 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 14 nautical miles west of McHenry to 8 nautical miles southwest of Elgin, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor and Waukegan Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.